A normal dialer only show you number, but a business dialer show you the customer, what is their lead status, what is their remark, what you promised them, and write everything on call screen. RM dialer is a business dialer and auto dialer that also work as a telecalling CRM, all in one in single app. Plus, you can set up lead automation in just 5 minutes for any platform where you get inquiries, and you will see everything together in one place. Install the app from Play Store and it is available in 40 plus languages. So you can use it in whichever language you prefer. Make it your default dialer with just one tap. After that, your normal call will work same exact like your normal phone call dialer, and in that it will also add CRM. So this is the business dialer home screen. It show your call log, but the lead's name, status on every call. Up here you can see all your call for today. You can also apply filter for missed call, connected call, unique numbers, lost lead. A lost lead meaning people you called but who never picked up. Tap on any call and you can see everything like callback, WhatsApp, SMS, lead status, everything. Now let's understand why this is a CRM dialer, not just a regular dialer. For example, if I call this number and the moment it start ringing, their entire record pop up on this screen. You can see here, and you can see full call history, detail, and everything. As soon as I cut the call, the pop up appear where you can set the lead status like interested, add remark, schedule follow up in just 2 taps. And right after the call cut, an automatic WhatsApp message is sent to them via WhatsApp API. I can send message for any type of call, incoming, outgoing, missed call. I can also send message based on any lead status. You only need to set up this template once. This is the telecalling CRM section. Every lead is on with their status, tag, source. Open any lead, you will get their complete history. Adding a lead is simple. Just change the status next to any call log. It is done. You can fill in the status, source, everything else here. Now we will look at the auto dialer. Simply import an Excel sheet or a Google sheet or lead from Facebook or anywhere else you get them. They will show up here. You just have to press the auto dial button. It will start auto calling those number one after another directly from your own SIM and your own phone. The customer will only see your actual number. It won't work like an IVR or cloud calling. It will be your real SIM. Your regular phone become your dialer here. Plus, if your telecaller currently making 50, 60 or 100 calls, then they can easily make it 130, 150 call using this dialer. Now look here at the reminder. If you write things down in diary, you might forget them. But here, when I set reminder for demo lead, I get a full pop-up notifying me to follow up them, ensuring I never forget to follow up on my lead. And here is the bulk WhatsApp feature. You can connect your API, decide your audience, and choose whether to send bulk WhatsApp message to your call log or your lead. Just select template, type in your message, all variable will automatically fill in, and you can easily send bulk WhatsApp message right from here. So lead automation pull inquiry from all your platform like Facebook, Google, IndiaMart, Just Dial, or wherever you get lead from. They will go straight into your Google sheet, and from there they are automatically distributed to all your employees. For example, if you have 10 employees, it divide the lead among them in round robin way. Whether you import an Excel file or lead come from any platform, you can check how many call a specific staff member has made, what their call log look like, their complete call lead history, and the total time they spend talking on that day. You get everything right there for that employee. So you don't even need to ask them for a report. You can directly see their entire call history, which show exactly how much work they have done. So this is the RM dialer, a business dialer, auto dialer, and telecalling CRM. It is single app for telecaller that run on just one phone, and you can use it for entire team as well. If you need the link, it is in bio, or you can download app from description. In next video, we will see how to import lead from Excel into the auto dialer. You can subscribe and follow so you don't miss the next